Starting January 1st, 2025, WWE's Monday Night Raw will stream exclusively on Netflix, marking the first time the show is available solely on a streaming platform instead of traditional TV. Fans in the US, Canada, Latin America, and the UK can find Raw in their respective Netflix libraries, along with other WWE content like Smackdown, NXT, and major events like WrestleMania and SummerSlam. In the US, however, Raw will only be on Netflix, while Smackdown and NXT remain on traditional TV, USA, and CW networks. This means American fans need both a Netflix subscription and a cable package to watch all three shows. Luckily, there's a solution for a cheaper and simpler way to watch all three WWE shows in one place. Use a VPN like NordVPN to access Netflix in a region like the UK, where Raw, SmackDown, and NXT are all available on one platform. Connect to a UK server, open Netflix, and enjoy all the action without the hassle. So get a VPN from vpndiscount.org. You can get NordVPN for 70% off from there. It's the best VPN because it's super fast, great support, and never has any downtime, so make sure to use vpndiscount.org. Download and install the VPN on your streaming device. Connect to a server where WWE content is available on Netflix, for instance, in the UK. Head to Netflix and look for WWE shows. That's it. Now you can access Monday Night Raw, SmackDown, and NXT all in one place. Why you need a VPN to watch all WWE content on Netflix starting January 1st, 2025. WWE fans in the US will face major changes in accessing content. Monday Night Raw will move exclusively to Netflix, while shows like NXT and SmackDown will remain on traditional TV, USA, and CW networks. US viewers will need subscriptions to Peacock, Netflix, and possibly cable to watch everything, costing at least $15.98 per month. What's even worse, US Netflix won't include premium live events, PLES, pay-per-views, PPVS, or other WWE content. Besides the US, there are other countries where WWE content won't be available on Netflix because some networks still have separate deals with WWE. Some of the countries where such content won't be available are Austria, Belgium, Central African Republic, France, Hong Kong, India, Italy, Japan, Luxembourg, Portugal, South Africa, Switzerland. Luckily, there's a solution for this programming mess. By using a VPN such as NordVPN, you can connect to a country where all WWE content is available on Netflix. This way, you can save a good chunk of money on several needed streaming platform subscriptions and find all your favorite content in one place. Access the entire WWE library on Netflix with NordVPN is the best VPN for accessing WWE on Netflix because of its excellent geo-unblocking capabilities. Additionally, NordVPN offers consistent 10+ gigabits per second connection speeds for lag-free streams and over 400 servers in the UK for a premium spot for the entire WWE library. Some countries that have all WWE shows, including Monday Night Raw, NTX, and SmackDown are Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Denmark, Germany, Mexico, the Netherlands, New Zealand, United Kingdom. So by using a reliable VPN and connecting to a server in, let's say, the UK, you'll be able to find all WWE content on one platform instead of paying for access to several providers and switching between them every time you want to watch a WWE broadcast. So use vpndiscount.org to watch WWE on Netflix today.